Alright guys, as promised, I said two, I picked one for now, to read in my best Australian accent. Kind of regretting this right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and give it my best shot. Oh, well, give me 1 second actually. Alright, now I think I'm ready. Alright, so I was walking in the arvo and I heard a blitter. It was a Sheila doing egg roll. I didn't want to be a gawler, so I shoot through. The Sheila said, "Bookies." So I said, "Okay, I'm a beauty at fighting." I grabbed a billy, and then I realised I shouldn't hit a Sheila. So I gibbered about Tucker and shot out. The Tucker wasn't real, I'm fibbed, so I could say, "Hooroo." Hope that made someone laugh or smile.